PAC-8's out today at Project C.U.R.E, where we've got 2 sessions that we're giving back, doing kits for kids and packing medical supplies. That's going to go to Nigeria, Guatemala, and to impact Ukraine.
Super excited because I get a chance to give back to the community. That's one of the best things about PAC-8.
A couple of you that are going to be helping box up the kits.
I say for other leaders that are looking to do this and make an impact with their teams, it's really important to get behind it from the leadership level. We had all of our managers and all of our team leads come out today. Really drove home that this does matter from the top down.
I'm just excited to help, and it just reminds you, how much out there is to do, and seeing these bags go to people in need is awesome.
It's super important that PAC-8 partners with organizations like Project C.U.R.E because of the impact that's needed around the planet. There's so much work to do, and I know these days, or one day out of the quarter, can seem like it's something very small, but that butterfly effect ripples into communities around our entire globe, and that's who PAC-8 is.